Hi, I'm here with a 2001 Chrysler Voyager, and I'm going to be replacing the driver front CV axle. As you can see, the boot has been damaged, and some of the bearings inside of it have fallen out, and the wheel just spins freely without locking the transmission. So I've already taken off the front wheel and jacked the support of the vehicle, and everything's really rusty here. These bolts here, take a 21mm socket. I'm gonna try and take these off. I gotta try and get the axle out of here. So first thing I'm gonna do is try and take these bolts off. If they don't break or if they turn or whatever they do. Okay, I got the two spindle to strut mount nuts off. So I just have to tap these two out with a sledgehammer. I was surprised about that because they were really rusty. I also got this off, the cotter pin. Then you have the this castle clip here, and the spring goes underneath it. And this took a get the right size 32mm socket to secure on that nut. Turn that off. I locked it in here with the old something to hold it in there so it's strong. We'll use this old Phillips screwdriver that's really strong. And yeah, the axle is moving freely, so it's going to come out. I'll take this washer off. So next thing I'm going to do is hammer out these two bolts. This is going to allow me to have room to push out the axle from the spindle. Okay, looks like from looking at this brake line, I'm going to take off the caliper and bracket. I've already took off the top bolt. Take the 21mm socket. That one off. So right here, I have to hold the caliper in place in order to remove that one, and that'll give me some more room to move this, move the spindle out the way, so I can push out the axle. Okay, so I got the outer part out. See, this is broken. Grease is gone, the bearings are gone. Now to get the inside out. Yeah, it's not popping out. So I'm gonna get my pry bar in there and see if I can pop it out with the pry bar. I got my catch pan there to catch any transmission fluid that may come out. But after I pop it out, I gotta put the new one in real quick to stop that transmission fluid from leaking. Okay, here's the new axle installed. I had to do it quick because it leaked a little of the transmission fluid out of there. It's not too much that's lost, but just pop it out. I used one of my crowbars, that blue one over there. and set it up so I can sit it like this and then use my hammer and hit it out this way, and it popped out of there. So I tried the pry bars and other crowbars, but they didn't get it. So now I'm going to put the new CV axle in position into the spindle, and put the spindle, connect the spindle back to the strut here. Okay, I got the axle in position. There's the axle. I got the two spindle mounting bolts in place. Next I'm going to do is put the rotor on and the caliper, tighten those down, and I'll be ready to tighten the strut the spindle mounting nuts onto the bolts here. Alright, so I got the caliper mounted, installed, caliper with bracket, rotor installed. It's turning pretty good there. I got this nut started, axle nut. Probably need to tighten it to maybe like 120 foot-pounds of torque. And then I'm going to tighten these. First I'm going to tighten these down. These spindle to strut nuts. And I'm going to tie this ABS wire with a twisted. I'm going to tie it up there for the owner. And we're just about finished. Okay, I got the axle nut torqued down. Install this little spring lock mechanism and the this castle washer here. I put the cotter pin in. Okay, there it is. So you feel the transmission catching, and that's I replaced a CV axle on a 2001 Chrysler Voyager. Thanks for watching.